The Futurliner, a truck-like promotional vehicle, was built by General Motors in 1939 for the Parade of Progress, a mobile exhibition showcasing new technologies. The idea for the Parade of Progress came to Charles Kettering, General Motors' chief engineer, after visiting the 1933 Chicago World's Fair. The parade began in 1936, and the Futurliners were introduced at the 1939 New York World's Fair. Harley Earl, General Motors' first head of design and vice president, and his team, including Robert E. Bingman, Raymond Smith, and Manuel Tavares, designed the Futurliners. Earl was a significant figure in the automotive industry, contributing to the design process, form, and proportions of modern cars. He introduced the concept car with the Buick Y-Job of 1938 and incorporated aero-inspired design elements into American cars. The Futurliner, with its monovolume proportions, Art Deco styling, and imposing dimensions, was a standout vehicle. Its design was inspired by trains and airplanes of the era, with a glass dome resembling a bomber aircraft's cockpit and red and white graphics referencing the fastest locomotives of the 1930s. The vehicle featured 8 wheels, early power steering, and separate drum brakes. Despite its size, it only accommodated 3 people, with the stage area taking up most of the space. From 1940 to 1946, the Futurliners and support vehicles toured the USA and Canada, attracting thousands of visitors to see the latest gadgets and technologies. The exhibition was arranged around a large tent called the Aero-Dome, and each Futurliner had a designated theme. After a hiatus during and after World War II, the Parade of Progress resumed, and the Futurliners were updated with air conditioning, a more conventional roof, and a modern inline 6-cylinder engine. The Parade of Progress ended in 1956 due to the increasing popularity of television, which affected attendance at the exhibitions. The Futurliners were sold or donated, and their enormous size and unique characteristics made them difficult to store and maintain. Today, 9 Futurliners are known to exist, with 3 in road-going condition. In conclusion, the Futurliners were a testament to American automotive design and marketing at their best. They successfully placed General Motors at the forefront of technology in the minds of millions. Although not practical for production, the Futurliners were wonderfully designed and served as nostalgic time travel capsules, showcasing the best of design and engineering from their time.